Home Remedies presents only 2 ingredients to control diabetes forever. If you are suffering from kidney issues, don't try this remedy. But otherwise, celery is one of the best food that can help you control your blood sugar levels. Celery contains fiber. It improves sugar metabolism. It boosts insulin receptor sensitivity. If you add celery to your diet, it can minimize the blood sugar fluctuations. Here is how to make the remedy. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. You will need celery 300 grams, lemons 6. Directions. Step 1. First, wash the celery and then grate it. Move the celery to a pot. Cut and squeeze those lemons to get the juice. Add it to the pot. Close the pot with a lid. Step 2. Now, take another steel container and fill it half with water. Place the pot that contains the celery and lemon juice in the steel container and heat it till boiling point. Continue heating it on low flame for 2 hours. After that, remove it from the stove, but don't open the lid. Step 3. After it is cooled, place it in the fridge. Every morning, consume a teaspoon of the liquid at least half an hour before your morning meal. Do it for a couple of months. Your blood sugar levels will get back to normal. Why this helps? Celery contains vitamin K, which can reduce inflammation and enhance glucose metabolism. Some studies say that vitamin K can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. A bacteria known as H. pylori is said to multiply the type 2 diabetes risk. Celery is said to curb the growth of this bacteria. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.